This is how to turn on and go through the different modes of the Ninja Crispi Pro air fryer. To start off, turn it on with this power button right here. It'll say hello initially, and then it will display the different modes that you can go through. To cycle through them, you'll spin this center dial. As you can see, as you turn it, it'll go through the different modes that you can select. Once you want to pick which mode, so right now I'll pick air fry, you just select the center button, and now it picks that mode and gets started. This is the timer counting down on how long it will cook for. You can adjust the temperature by selecting the temperature button and then again spinning the dial. Once you pick what temperature you want, so click the center button and it will now lock in that temperature. To adjust the time, you can just simply spin this up to what time you want, so 15 minutes, and then again select the button there. It does have a light feature, so if you press the light button, it will illuminate or turn off the light. So right now you can see the light is on down here, but to turn it off, just select it one more time. And now to turn your air fryer off, just hit the power button and it will turn off.